Summer is here. It is in full swing, and we know what that means. We're probably going to have some problems with our hair systems. We are probably going to have weaker bonds, shorter bonds, glue issues, yada, yada, yada. So, I'm here today to give you one simple trick that can really help when it comes to traveling to extend your bond. I'm going to actually take you into the bathroom to show you exactly how I do this process so that way you can emulate this. That way, if you are going on any of these long trips, you don't have to worry about taking an extra set of everything to redo your adhesives and blah blah blah. This right here can give you, if you keep on doing it, multiple days, maybe even a full week of coverage without having to bring really anything extra. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head into the bathroom. I'm gonna show you exactly how I do the process, and we'll rock and roll. Let's go. But first, guys, this video is sponsored by LaVivid. They were kind enough to sponsor this video and to keep on bringing you little tips and tricks with hair systems. Right, let's go into the bathroom. We're gonna go through this whole process. It's gonna be extremely short. So that's the good news. This is something you can do on the fly when you need to do it very quick. So with this process right here, we're only gonna need one product, okay? That product is Walker Max Hold Sport, okay? This right here, this is good stuff. So this right here is what we call a scalp protector. This right here puts a little bit of a barrier between your skin and the adhesive. But one of the added effects that it gives is, first, number one, is that you can go and you can exercise pretty much immediately after putting this on, and your bond is going to be good. As opposed to if you just use a regular adhesive, usually you want to wait 24 hours for it to solidify. So that's a huge benefit here. But the other one is that it kind of acts as an adhesive in itself and will give you actually a couple extra days if you just use this right here and your adhesive has kind of gone to poop. So what we're going to do today is we're going to basically pull up the hair system. We're going to actually apply our layer of this right here. Then we're going to lay the hair system back down and we'll be good to go. So we're going to start that process first by lifting the hair system, okay? So mine is pretty weak. I did that in preparation for this video so you can see it, like it's coming off pretty easy, okay? Now I'm going to take it back to here just because this right here, how you doing? This right here is kind of where the system is weak. The first step is I'm actually going to clean everything off if there's any residue just to make it a little bit better, okay? So we're going to do that process. Now with this right here, what I'm just going to use is some toilet paper, and I'm going to take some isopropyl alcohol. If you don't have isopropyl alcohol, don't worry about it. Just use something like soap. It's not a big deal. All we're trying to do right now is just get some of the residue off, if you will. Just clean things a little bit. That's all. Nothing serious. Nothing serious. So that way the scalp protector has something good to actually bond to instead of just bonding to the old residue. Okay? Just as simple as that. So it usually comes with just like a little top that you can actually dab on your head. I don't actually like it that much. What I like to do is I like to take the bottle fully, like this right here, and just put a little bit on my finger. And then what I do is I'll actually rub it on the area where I have my tape, my adhesive. It's very liquidy. So we'll do this right here. It's pretty much like water. It runs very easy. And already it's starting to dry, so it's starting to get a little bit harder to manipulate on the scalp. So I'll just put a little bit more down, and then we'll basically do some brief touch up. Okay, there we go. So right now, because it's applied, what I need to do is I'm gonna need to keep this up for maybe, I don't know, probably like 2 minutes, 5 minutes. So I'm gonna do that. And then when I come back, we're gonna lay it down and I'll show you how much more sticky it is, okay? It is pretty much tacky to the touch. Like I'm not getting any stickiness, but it does feel like it's firmly applied. So what we're gonna do, very simple, we're just gonna lay this bad boy down. And you wanna lay it down pretty much as if this is your adhesive. And what I mean by that is just kind of stretch it out, right? Grab it, pull it across, so that way it's going to get a good even hold instead of it scrunching up. Because this stuff, you can totally, pull it back up and readjust it and things like that. But it's better if you just get it on your first time. So now we're good to go on this right here. I'm going to put some pressure down just with the old towel method. This will put some even pressure across everything. We're good to go. This right here will give you probably an extra, I don't know, maybe 2 to 4 days of good bond. And then you could theoretically rinse and repeat, do this process again and again. Your bond will break down over time, the regular adhesive. So this is not something you can do perpetually, but this can give you an extra week for sure. So if you're going on that week, 2 week long vacation, and if you don't want to bring the adhesives, you don't want to deal with the whole process, this is something that you can do as soon as you start to feel that your bond is breaking down. Go and do this process. The sooner you do it, the more your adhesive is going to last. Because if the Walker Maxwell Sport starts breaking down and then the adhesive starts breaking down, well, then we don't have much to work with. But if you use this when you start to feel that the bond is getting a little bit weak, right? Like, when you're sweating, it's getting a little bit looser. If you reapply this stuff right here, it'll provide that protective layer in between the two, and you can basically keep on rinsing and repeating this a couple times. So hopefully that is a useful tip for you. It's something that can get you a little bit more longevity out of your bond if you're on vacation, if you're out sweating, or doing all that kind of stuff this summer. And guys, see you in the next video. Thanks to Live Vivid for sponsoring this video. Take care.